In this part 4, we will be covering these two topics. First, we're gonna check how we can use this function, which is provided by Express.js. We can return a JSON response, so we can skip using this function. Because this is like native way of returning JSON in Express.js, and also sets content type, so we don't need to do it by ourselves. If you remember, we usually do this and then send and then convert to the JSON. So this function can do it all by itself. And second one, we will start using a router and accept parameters. If you remember, this was the main goal of this whole tutorial. We want to have like very simple echo server when you can call and then with params and then return it in response. So we're gonna check it. So let's jump to the source code. So first, let's start with using this JSON function. So what I will do, I will remove this part. And by the way, I am working on server.js file, not app.js, but server.js file. And I will, instead of send, I will do JSON and pass the response body. And let me also check this package.json. We need to be sure that we are running. So you see we're running app.js, so I need to stop. I want to change this, so it should be server.js. So I want to make sure that when we run this command, this file is actually executed. So let me run this command again. So this is my command, npm run dev. So this will execute our server. And now I can go to server. I'm using this, I think it's a Prettify or JSON Prettify, I don't know, this plugin for Firefox. So I see formatted JSON. You can also see raw data. And basically there is no change. So only way we can verify what we did, we can go to the network tab and see if we still set headers. So type is JSON, that's correct, and then that's what we return. So everything work as it was before. And next step, what I'm going to do is start using another route. So I will add one more get. So I'm going to call it echo, and then what I want to do, I want to provide param named name. So it will be, so this is how you set named parameter, and then close it. I will provide a link for this, so you can read more. There is like many ways you can also use range. For example, let's say you want to do from to, so this will be your two params. So it first to check this feature a bit more in details, but for now, what we need to is to have this another route, and the rest will be same. So I will copy paste it from my current code base. Yeah. And now what we have, so, and I also in this part I also removed like using this additional, like sending this additional data. We don't need this data. And the only thing that I am doing, I am receiving this name from req.params. This is very important part. So this is how you get these named parameters. And then defining my new body, and then sending this message like hello, this name, and items. For now, I will keep items just for fun, let's say. And then at the end we will return body in the same way using this JSON method. So let me save. It should be automatically restarted. And then we can go back to the server. So this is my root. So this router goes to this one. And to open this one, I need to set echo. So let me open another tab. So echo and name. So I will use my name. And then we see it appears here. So we can also provide some other stuff, like let's say Express. It will say hello Express, and etc. etc. So this very simple way of setting this params. And also, as I said, it first to check this documentation. It's express.js.com, guides, and then routing, where you can read more about this feature, how you can set ranges, and etc. etc. So, as I said, it first checking. And also, if you want to try this in a live code version, so you can head to another page. I think it will be, you will find it at the end of the page. It is somewhere here, so you can click here, and you can try by yourself in a live code mode. So if you want to check everything I did and also run it on a browser, you can use this page. I think for this part, that's it. And I believe this is our last part for this tutorial. So let me quickly review what we had. We built a JSON API with a simple Node.js. We introduced package.json and then used Nodemon. This is a tool for auto refresh. Then we convert the Node.js to the Express.js web server. And in this one, it was a URL params and a JSON object. If you need more information, please let me know in comments of this page, so I can extend this a bit more.